Meteorologist Kevin Skarupa with your Storm Watch 9 forecast.
Southern eastern areas of the state, at least at this point, stand to have seen the most snow, but there are still some areas, especially through the Mount Washington Valley, up through the White Mountains and parts of the Great Northwoods, that have the potential to go a little bit above the 16-inch amounts we have seen in some eastern and southern areas over the last 24 hours. Places like Whitefield, maybe near Conway and down through Madison. This little area here, as I'll show you in a moment, still seeing quite a bit of snow and seemingly not really that band moving much at this point. Winter weather advisories for some blowing snow and a couple of slippery spots. There could also be a little bit of patchy freezing drizzle in a few places to go along with any sort of lingering areas of lighter snow. Overcast skies otherwise, but there have been a few sunny breaks also out there in places where the precipitation has diminished. As we go through the afternoon, a place like Plymouth continuing to see a little bit of light snow here and there, maybe an additional ½ inch of snow down in the valley, only about 4 or 5 inches of snow out of this for them. Elsewhere, though, we have been looking at significantly more, especially in southern New Hampshire, places like Manchester picking up anywhere as much as 8 downtown, but as much as 10 in the outlying areas and up in the hills. We're at 33 right now with a wind out of the northeast. This continues to gust over 25 miles an hour, so if you've yet to go out and do the cleanup this afternoon or waiting for the snow to wind down before you do, you're going to have that wind to go along with it. You can see the feels-like temperature about 10 degrees colder, so you'll want to dress for that this afternoon. The lighter snow continues along with that fairly gusty wind as temperatures hover around within a few degrees of the freezing mark. Still some accumulation left. A lot of that now will be confined up through the Mount Washington Valley and the North Country and places through the White Mountains. Some lighter snow showers are still a possibility up in the North Country tonight and tomorrow as well. Here's that one band I'm showing you here, and you will notice that as this continues to kind of work its way back to the north and west, this is snowfall rates at 1 to 2 inches per hour continuing to head back in that direction. So the areas that have been seeing anywhere from 8 to as much as 11 inches of snow have a little catch up to do, and I think that is the drama left out of this, is can they actually get more than some of the eastern and southern areas that wind up around 14 to 16 inches of snow. We're looking for very little, if any, additional accumulation for southern spots, but again, you get up into the North Country and there is still that potential, just depending on where exactly those heavier bands set up. We're in the 20s to lower 30s, and again, within a few degrees of freezing, that breeze making it feel much colder than that as we go through the afternoon. So here's a look at it on Futurecast. Again, most of the accumulating snow, and especially as we're talking an inch per hour or more, best chances of that are confined to the northern third of the state. Tonight, a scattered snow shower is a possibility. Tomorrow, we could see a passing snow shower with temperatures in the low and mid 30s. There'll be a breeze out of the north to go along with it. And then as we continue to work our way to Thursday, a northwesterly breeze will start drying things out. And actually some honest to goodness sunshine and a break in between systems before a quicker moving system arrives here on Friday. That right now looks like some light snow, which could be a little bit of light rain in southern areas of the state. Again, quick moving system before some quieter weather heading into the weekend.